Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the overview of a gaming beast. So if you had seen the title you would have known, it's the ROG Strix G15 gaming laptop. You are watching Tech Privilege and now let's get started. This is the box of the ROG Strix, in which we have got the laptop, the 150-watt charge brick, and also a wired ROG gaming mouse. Also, we have got material for stitching the laptop sleeve. Now, let's take a look at the design and build quality of this laptop. As soon as you have a look of the laptop, I bet the first word you will say is wow. The design is so much astonishing and attracting. The laptop is fully made of magnesium alloy. On the back side, we have the ROG logo on a textured surface, but that logo that doesn't have any RGB lighting. The build looks really solid and its design gives an armory feel. Let's take a look into the keyboard. The keyboard has a pink accent in it, and Asus tells that this design and accent is inspired from BMW. The WASD keys has a significant pink color and the other keys have black color. On the top right, we have the power button with a small red LED on it. The touchpad we have here is made of plastic, but that's not a problem as it's a gaming laptop and everyone will use an external mouse, and we have also got separate left and right click buttons on the touchpad. Also, all the buttons in the keyboard give a tactile feedback. The full keyboard has one zone RGB lighting which can be changed in the Armory Create software. Also, on the base of the laptop we have RGB strips surrounded which can also be customized in the Armory Create software. Now let's come to the display of this gaming beast. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel with a refresh rate of 144Hz. This high refresh rate panel is really good for gamers, and also it has an anti-glare coating, so the viewing angles are great. It feels buttery smooth when working in this laptop. It's a great display for playing games and also for doing heavy editing work. The peak brightness of this display is also good. A small negative here is Asus has compromised on a webcam by providing thin bezels. As we have started to talk about the display, let's take a look at the internals. This laptop is powered by the Intel i5 latest 10th Gen processor. An Intel processor, there are two types. One is Ice Lake and Comet Lake. Ice Lake gives better CPU performance and the Comet Lake gives better GPU performance, and this one is of Comet Lake type. This processor is coupled with 8 GB of RAM, which can be upgraded up to 32 GB, and the storage of 1 TB SSD. So this laptop is really fast in booting up, and other functions you do inside the laptop will also be quick. Also, it can be extended up to 2 TB of storage. Of course, for gaming laptop, the important part is its graphic card. This one has a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti 4GB GDDR6 VRAM graphics. So it can run any game in high graphics setting. Also, it has 144Hz refresh rate, so there will be no stutters in any game. AAA titles can easily be pushed in medium to high graphics setting. For testing, I played PUBG in HD graphic and an extreme frame rate. The gameplay is very smooth without any lags as you see in the screen. If you're enjoying this video till now, a sub to the channel would be incredible. A major positive here in the hardware is the new Intel processor. It has 4 cores and 8 threads. Also, these generation laptops have better single thread performance. It has a base clock speed of 1.6 GHz and max boost clock speed of 4.2 GHz. When we come to the I/O ports, we have one USB 3.2 Type-C port, 3 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, one HDMI out port which supports up to 4K, one Ethernet out port, and one audio combo jack. The laptop has 2 stereo speakers which gives good sound output. However, using headphones for gaming gives better experience. In the software side, we have Windows 10 Home provided and it's good to work in it. Also, Asus have some pre-installed apps like McAfee, but you can uninstall them if you want. The weight of this laptop is 2.3 kilograms, which is normal weight for a gaming laptop. So that's all for this video. If you ended up liking this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you soon in a more interesting video. Bye.